everyone, I'm Stuart. Welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. Let's look at today's key phrase. This present should make her very happy. Okay, let's break it down. Today's skill is expressing causation for states. We can use this grammar to express how someone or something changes a state. This is commonly used to express how people make you feel. Let's look at the example below. I was happy. I heard the news. I became sad. So, I became sad due to the news. We can say, the news made me sad. This grammar can also be used to explain how people change things. Let's look at the example below. The test was easy. He changed the test, and now it's harder. We can say, he made the test harder. Here is the Japanese. Please pause if you would like to read. Okay, let's have a look at the structure. So we start with the subject, then we say make, followed by an object. For example, make her, make you, make it, make the test. Then we use an adjective, really happy. This present should make her really happy. Let's look at some examples. He made the test easier. The news made the situation worse. We need to make this course better. The presentation made everyone bored. The song made her famous. We should make the process less complicated. Okay, thank you very much for watching today's lesson. If you'd like to practice the grammar, please leave an example in the comments below. Bye.